Hello everyone, and welcome! Today we're going to transform your apartment into a haven of peace and positive energy. We'll be exploring the wonderful world of Feng Shui. Feng Shui, meaning wind and water, is an ancient practice that emphasizes harmony between you and your environment. It's about arranging your living space to invite positive energy flow, especially important in apartment living where space is precious. So, let's begin. Our journey begins at the entrance of your apartment. In Feng Shui, the entrance is considered the mouth of qi, where energy enters. Imagine coming home to a cluttered doorway, shoes piled up, bags overflowing. It doesn't spark joy, does it? A clear and organized entrance allows energy to flow smoothly into your home. Make sure your entryway is well lit and inviting. The living room is where we gather with loved ones and create lasting memories. In Feng Shui, the layout of this space is crucial. Ideally, your sofa should be positioned against a solid wall, offering a sense of support and security. Avoid placing furniture in a way that obstructs the flow of movement. Our bedroom is our sanctuary, a space for rest and rejuvenation. The placement of your bed is paramount. In Feng Shui, it's best to position your bed so that you have a commanding view of the door, while not being directly in line with it. Choose calming colors and soft textures for your bedroom to create a truly restful ambiance. The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, is where we nourish our bodies. Cleanliness and organization are key here. Discard expired items from your refrigerator and pantry, just as you let go of belongings that no longer serve you. Clean countertops invite positive energy and make cooking a more joyful experience. The bathroom is a space for cleansing and renewal, both physically and energetically. Keep it fresh and clean, ensuring good ventilation to prevent stagnant energy. Select soft towels and calming scents to create a spa-like experience in your bathroom. Remember, a clean and organized bathroom contributes to a sense of overall well-being. Natural light is a powerful energy booster. Open your curtains and blinds during the day to let the sunshine in. If your apartment lacks natural light, consider using mirrors strategically to reflect light into darker corners. Select window treatments that allow for maximum light penetration. Mirrors are wonderful tools in Feng Shui, used to reflect light and create a sense of spaciousness. Place mirrors strategically to bounce light around the room, making your apartment feel larger and brighter. However, be mindful of what the mirror reflects. Avoid placing mirrors opposite the bed, as this can disrupt sleep. Ensure your mirrors reflect positive images and energy. Plants are natural air purifiers and bring a sense of life and vitality to any space. Incorporate plants into your apartment, choosing varieties that thrive in your environment. Remember to care for your plants, ensuring they have adequate light and water. Healthy plants contribute to a vibrant and harmonious atmosphere. Colors have a profound impact on our mood and energy levels. In Feng Shui, each color represents different elements and energies. Soft, calming colors like blues and greens promote tranquility, making them ideal for bedrooms. Brighter colors like yellows and oranges are energizing and uplifting, suitable for living areas. Surround yourself with personal items that spark joy and reflect your journey. Family photos, travel mementos, or beloved books add a personal touch to your apartment and create a space that truly feels like home. However, be mindful of clutter. Display your cherished items with care, creating a visual story of your life. As we conclude our Feng Shui journey, remember that even small changes can make a big difference. By incorporating these simple tips, decluttering, organizing, and being mindful of energy flow, you can transform your apartment into a haven of peace and positivity. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Start with one area that resonates with you and gradually incorporate these principles into other areas of your apartment. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share your Feng Shui experiences in the comments below, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, may your home be a source of joy and tranquility.